Snakes captivate us due to their limbless form, cold-blooded physiology, and lethal venom. Some grow impressively large, enthralling us further. These giants often find a place in zoos. Snakes live humble, inconspicuous lives, some barely longer than earthworms. Here's a list of the world's tiniest snakes, starting from the small to the smallest. Number 10. Short-headed garter snake. The short-headed garter snake, a member of the Thamnophis genus, is one of the smaller garter snakes, reaching around 10 inches in length. It's native to New York and Pennsylvania in North to Central America. These snakes primarily feed on earthworms in the wild, but may eat small amphibians, fish, or leeches when kept as pets. When bothered, they might release a bad-smelling musk. Reproduction varies based on location. Females breed every other year in New York and annually in Pennsylvania, giving birth to live young. Number 9. Malagasy blind snake. This snake, exclusive to Madagascar, was rediscovered in 2007 after nearly a century. It reaches a length of approximately 9.8 inches and possesses a nose resembling a bulldozer, due to its armored and enlarged structure. The snake's scales are pink and translucent, akin to an earthworm. Remarkably, it lacks a lung but has a specialized membrane in its lung's place. This critically endangered species burrows into sandy soil. Using its tough head, primarily found in coastal forests, its diet consists of ants and termites, detected through scent and body heat. Number 8. Ringneck snake. The ringneck snake, spanning from Canada to central Mexico, is a nocturnal snake recognized by the colored band around its neck: yellow, red, or orange-yellow. The body comes in various hues: olive green, blue-gray, brown, or charcoal, with approximately 14 identified subspecies, all measuring about 9.8 inches in length. The regal ringneck snake is a bit longer than the rest, in contrast to the other snakes mentioned. The ringneck snake is venomous, but possesses mild venom sufficient for subduing prey. Its diet comprises reptiles like lizards, or young snakes of other species, amphibians such as frogs and salamanders, and slugs and earthworms. People can handle this peaceable snake. Its fangs are tiny and rear-facing. When threatened, it curls its tail and reveals a bright red anal vent. Number 7. Line snake. This snake ranges from 8.66 to 15 inches in length, inhabits the Great Plains, and extends to eastern regions like Illinois. This snake has 4 subspecies: the central line snake, the northern line snake, Merton's line snake, and the Texas line snake. They are commonly found in woods, prairies, near human settlements, and abandoned areas. During winter, they hibernate in rocky crevices. Females reach breeding maturity around 2 years of age, mating in the fall, but egg fertilization is delayed until spring. The female gives birth to 2 to 12 live young in August, which are born independent as they receive no parental care. Number 6. Peter's thread snake. The Peter's thread snake, residing in southern Africa, reaches a length of approximately 7.9 to 11 inches. Like other thread snakes, or blind snakes, it's challenging to discern the tail from the head when observing, mainly due to its minuscule eyes. This snake predominantly stays within its burrow, occasionally emerging after heavy rainstorms. Its diet primarily consists of termites and termite eggs, often leading it to old termite nests or hiding under rocks and logs. The scales of this non-venomous snake are dark and shiny. However, some might mistake it for the venomous burrowing asp, despite their size and venomous nature differences. Number 5. Flat-headed snake. This snake, measuring 7 to 8 inches in length, holds the title of the smallest among the diverse snake populations in Missouri. While not exclusive to Missouri, it also resides in Illinois, Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, and Mexico, exhibiting smooth scales. Its colors vary from tan to grayish, reddish-brown, complemented by a pink belly. At times, the snake's head may feature a black hue. It remains active during warmer months, often retreating to burrows in sandy soil during the day. Breeding occurs in spring, with the female laying 1 to 4 eggs in June. The 3-inch-long offspring hatch in late summer. Its diet comprises insects, insect larvae, and centipedes. Number 4. Texas blind snake, ranging from southwestern Kansas to Mexico. Can be easily mistaken for an earthworm due to its size, measuring between 3.94 and 11 inches. It seeks refuge from the sun and a moisture source in deserts and dry environments, often sheltering under rocks, logs, or even compost piles in suburban yards. Among the 4 subspecies of this snake, 2 are found in Mexico and 2 in the United States. Their conservation status is categorized as least concern, functioning as a burrowing snake. It closely trails earthworm parts, although its diet comprises ants, termites, and insect eggs, not earthworms. This snake possesses teeth only in the front of its lower jaw, lacking them in the upper jaw. Post-mating, females lay about 4 long, narrow eggs with papery shells. Despite being termed blind, these snakes have some ability to perceive varying light intensities. Number 3. Variegated snail eater, residing in Amazonia and measuring just 3.4 to 3.59 inches long. Thrives on a diet largely composed of slugs and snails, featuring a broad, sizable head and prominent yellow eyes. Its body displays a pattern of blacks and greys. This snake primarily inhabits undisturbed old-growth forests or minimally disturbed forest areas. Its nocturnal habits lead it to climb up to 9 feet during the night to seek prey, while it rests under duff or in shrub branches during the day. Apart from Amazonia, populations of the variegated snail eater are also found in Trinidad and Tobago. For snail and slug consumption, the snake utilizes its long, delicate teeth effectively. Initially, the front teeth of the upper jaw secure the snail's body. Then, the lower jaw advances, and the lower teeth aid in extracting the snail from its shell as the snake's jaw retracts. Number 2. Brominy blind snake, often called the flowerpot snake, has spread across the world by hitchhiking on potted plants. It's a challenge to distinguish the head from the tail, since they possess similar scales. However, with a magnifying glass, one can notice two minuscule, non-functional eyes near the head and a small spur on the tail. The snake exhibits a variety of colors, including dark gray, silvery, yellowish beige, purple, and albino. This snake feeds on ants and termites, along with their eggs, larvae, and pupae. Its diet also includes beetles, insect eggs and larvae, caterpillars, and earthworms. Uniquely, it might even consume feces and fungi. Strikingly, all brominy blind snakes are female due to the species being parthenogenic. Females can reproduce without male involvement. When a brominy blind snake lays 1 to 8 eggs, they all hatch into females identical to their mother. Number 1. Barbados thread snake, a recently unearthed discovery, holds the title of the world's smallest snake, measuring approximately 3.94 to a maximum of 4.09 inches in adult length. Originating in Barbados, it may also inhabit Barbuda and Antigua. This minuscule snake was uncovered beneath a rock and sustains itself on termites and ant larvae. In 2008, herpetologist S. Blair Hedges officially recognized the Barbados thread snake a distinct species, naming it after his wife. Although specimens had been collected before 2008, they were initially considered part of another species. This snake is widely acknowledged as the tiniest possible snake on Earth. An intriguing fact about this petite snake: is that the female lays just one egg at a time, and upon hatching, the offspring is already half the size of its mother. Herpetologists believe this thread snake evolved to thrive in forests, and due to extensive deforestation in Barbados, its conservation status is now labelled as critically endangered. We hope you enjoy this video, and consider subscribing to stay updated on future content. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos, and thanks for watching.